car is just too good in the snow. Almost reminds me of my Audi, except a little bit more quirky. Whereas the Audi would be more like a pull, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it too well. I want y'all to see this. Only an Odyssey kept up with me. Well, I kept up with the Odyssey just to see where it's going. All the other cars backed up. And it's not even that bad out. See, in my opinion, man, most accidents happen in the snow when people start driving extremely slow when they're not supposed to, or when there's no reason to. Just have to be cautious, you know, be mindful around turns, coming towards stops, lights, stop sign. You know, just be aware, people. I'm on third gear, going up the hill. No slips. Going about 35. I'm gonna have to switch gears. Hold on one sec. I'm on fourth now, just to ease up on the torque so I don't slip. Just because it's all-wheel drive doesn't mean it can't slip. You gotta be smart. Ah, nice. Another Subaru. Don't worry, we're just waiting. Y'all see it's getting a little worse. I'm gonna take a little intermission, go get a cup of coffee, relax for a little bit, wait till it gets worse out here. I'll be back. Going about 25. It's good. It's actually great in the snow. But if I had to compare it to my Audi A4, the B7 chassis, no, it's not quite there, you know what I mean? It's just the contact is just not there, man. I'm assuming it's because of the weight. Well, I would think so. Off of zero. Little slide, one hand shift. Sorry, a little dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh yeah, this is definitely nice. I'm going 26, 27. Ooh, and it stops smooth, no slide. Let's make a turn. Okay. This guy's in the middle of the road. That's alright. Let's see. Go up this hill. Yeah, let's try the hill. Second gear. It's so quiet in here. I mean, you guys might hear the heater on, but other than that, man, it's so quiet in here. Ah, man, there's no parking here. I have to run through this little alleyway. Wow, nice tight fit. Good joint. Drive smooth, man. This is great. How do I like it so far? I like it a lot. You have to give me some more time before I can give you a rating or a final opinion. But so far, I love it. I love the way it grips it with the road, you know, even with the snow. It's probably like 3 inches that fell down into the ground here in Reading, PA. But yeah, man. So far, this is a safe vehicle in the snow. Subaru, you did a great job. And GM, you did a great job of marketing. Saab, I know, it's alright. Alright. came off. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh man, it's like a dream come true. You ready? I'm on second gear now. It's snowing pretty bad out here. It's nice. STI. Too bad he's not driving it. Sheesh. It's a perfect time, man. Test them wheels out. Look at this. Even a Toyota Echo's out here driving. Come on, where are you guys at, man? This is fun time. Oh, I get it. Y'all got all that foreign, then rear wheel drive, superpower, but you can't drive in the snow though. Oh man. Oh. But look at me, I'm going up a hill. About 4 or 5 inches of snow. Wow. Shit. This is ripping, man. 92X, okay. I got more respect now, man. I like this. It's getting better and better. Nice. And I'm not sure if you guys could hear the motor, but this thing sounds phenomenal. Boxer motor, man. Great. Yeah, they're scared. They're like, look at this little car just flying around. Yeah, that's what I do, man. Alright, we're here. Oh man. This dude's flying up here. Let me get out the way.
That was dope.
Yeah. Oh, he was flying. What the hell?
Yeah, the terrain.
Yeah, all terrain, huh?
So let's see how it is.